Email list and building relationship. Have you ever wondered how to set up your email list? Do you often wonder how to build relationship with your email targeted list? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper tips of building setup on email lists? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email list and building relationship. Now let's get into it. Creating bulk email list. By means of the internet, we have the possibility to connect millions of people from around the world. And this number is growing as far as people discover the convenience and necessity of the internet in today's world, where the success in the business largely depends on information technology. Companies and organizations have found the internet an opportune place to promote their products and services. They use the strategy known as bulk email marketing, or bulk email sending, or sending advertisements and promotional letters to email users. An essential element of successful bulk email marketing strategies is a clean list of targeted email addresses. This assumes that the list contains only valid email addresses of people who are really interested in receiving the emails from the company or organization. Otherwise, your unsolicited advertising will be classified as spam mail. Although sending out magazines and newsletters through bulk emailing is free, companies cannot risk the equity of their brands by offending people. A clean email list will help you assess the success of your email campaigns, and more importantly, it will reduce the risk of breaking the anti-spamming laws. Building clean targeted email list. Don't generate email addresses using special tools you may find on the internet. Don't harvest the email addresses from websites. Don't purchase a ready-made list. Such lists usually come from email service providers and agencies that conduct surveys. Ready-made lists that you will probably purchase are never validated and are full of dead and undeliverable email addresses. Plus, those lists are sold and resold many times, and the email addresses owners are already fed up with emails from other email marketers, and I have a great doubt that they will open and read your message, since they receive hundreds of emails every day. The email addresses that you will harvest from websites belong to people who did not hear about you and will hardly want to receive your emails. As a return, you will receive a lot of complaints from people for sending them unsolicited emails and ban of your email account. There is a different way to build your clean targeted email list subscription form on your website. Before you start with bulk email marketing, get your website up and running. Or, probably you already have a site where you advertise your products and services. Set up a subscription form somewhere on your web page and get others to sign up for your mailing lists with their consent. Spread the word about your mailing list through word of mouth. The beauty in this is that the list of emails will be self-screened, and the database will only contain the people who are interested in your offers. Make sure you have their consent beforehand. It's not as quick and easy as generating or harvesting email addresses, but it's more reliable way. You won't send unsolicited emails as you have a proof that the recipient has subscribed himself to your mailing list. Building relationship with your list. When you have an email list of subscribers who have specifically agreed that you send emails to them, you have an asset that can be leveraged over and over again. You can use that email list to drive traffic to different websites and sales pages again and again, and this is why you must cherish your list like an apple of your eye. The better you treat your list, the better the return will be when you want it. To have a very profitable email list, you should simply build a relationship with your subscribers. You want them to like you, feel like they know you, feel comfortable buying from you, and most importantly, you want them to look forward to and enjoy reading your emails. If you can build a strong relationship with your subscribers, then you have more chances of getting them to purchase your products and services. Tips to build relationship with email list. Send emails regularly. Make sure you are reaching your subscribers at least once a month in emails or other medium. If you emailed to a list of people and had little or no response, does not necessarily mean your audience isn't interested in your product. Experiment with different emails, get to know which email strategy works best, and keep using it to reach your subscribers. Send useful information and tips. Your emails should contain something that the customer wants. It shouldn't be just the information about your company or yourself. Focus on giving more than just what you sell. Specific content, messages, and other targeted information that interests your customers are good to include. This is a great way to make readers look forward to your emails, as they will know that they are going to receive great information from you. Provide value in your emails, and don't try to profit in some way from every one of them. Send the videos of you, and talk to your subscribers about things they want to know about. Videos are usually better than regular emails because they are more personal and show there is a real person giving the information. Make sure your subscribers can read your emails. Although the videos, graphics, flash animations, and logos look impressive on an email, they are often blocked by email filters. Upload video, graphics, and flash files to your site, and use a flat text with hyperlinks to the site. Once your recipients get to your site, you can show them as many graphics as you want. Create a way for your subscribers to interact with you. This can be a forum, a comment system, an email submission area, a live chat room, and many others. Note that not every email you send has to have some way of profiting in it. Just make sure the readers enjoy it. Make sure they like you and they like your emails. Make your readers to feel as though they can trust you and everything you say in your emails. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email list and building relationship. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.